Hey, what's going on, everybody? So per my unboxing video for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in titanium gray, I had asked you guys if you wanted me to do a video focusing a little bit more on the color so you can get a better idea of just how this color looks. Some of you left some comments and wanted me to do that. So here we go, starting with natural lighting indoors. This is what the titanium gray Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra looks like. All right, I'm outside now. It is a mostly sunny day. And here's the phone from different angles. And here we are filming on a sunny day, but not in the direct sunlight. And nothing particularly noteworthy here, just regular two-car garage lighting. All right, so here we are indoors with warm lighting, and this is how your natural titanium S25 Ultra will look in these lighting conditions. And so wrapping up here, we've got the S25 Ultra outdoors on a mostly cloudy, maybe partly sunny day. And you see that it is reflecting mostly grays, but in some lighting, you see sort of the browns or oranges even. So it's a gray, but with warm undertones is the best way I could summarize it. So perhaps a nice case that has some kind of warmth in its color palette would be a nice compliment. Otherwise, maybe a clear case, or hey, rock it without a case. I do that sometimes, but you need to be extra careful. Maybe don't take your phone out when you're over super hard surfaces like concrete. So thank you all for watching. I've got a link in the description to where you can pick up this phone. If you've got any questions, let me know, and I'll see you all in the next video.